Hey guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. So for those people who don't know me, I am Jenny. So we are back after a long time, and so in this video I'll be sharing how to make a DIY makeup fixer which works honestly 100%. So before starting this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on every new video. So without further worries, let's get started. So for making our makeup fixer or makeup setting spray, one needs an empty spray bottle. I'm using a new one here. If you want to reuse any old spray bottle, then you can do that. Next is distilled water. The water should be absolutely pure. And then is aloe vera gel, which is one of the main ingredients in this. And next we need is rose water or rose toner, and then last glycerine. So let's get started with the procedure. So first of all, we need a spray bottle. So I'll pour the water into the spray bottle. So I'm not mentioning any exact quantities in this video because it totally depends upon you in which quantity you are going to make. Okay, so next we'll pour some aloe vera gel. Approximately it was of 2 tablespoons. Next I'll pour some glycerin. The quantity of glycerin was half of that of the aloe vera gel, meaning if I pour 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, then I pour 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Next we'll shake it. And you can see the foam, and then we will keep it untouched for nearly some seconds. So after some times, we'll add this rose water in the solution. So the quantity of rose water was approximately of 2.5 tablespoons. Yeah. Okay, so guys, there is another video in our channel, DIY lip balm. So if you want to see how we made it, then the link is given up over here. Do go and check it out. And there are several other videos. There are many types of contents in our channel. BTS, then means K-pop is there, then cooking videos, recipes are there, then DIYs are there, art and crafts are there. Then you can just, if you like, then you can go and check it out, those videos. So we need to shake it, and then it's ready to use. So trust me guys, it works totally 100% because I have tried this before, and it really sets your makeup and it lasts for a long time. So that's all for today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this. So make sure you like, share and subscribe. So bye, stay safe.